My name is Julian Williams. I've been struggling out for more than 10 years now. I work at the bin, working at the bin, doing recycles. I know that recycling up here, but me try to hustle the plastic back of them every day, because 5 kids, and I have to take care of them without father. When me get the eviction notice, I don't know if I get help or not, but this lady came to my restaurant right now, and before now she come up now, I gather all some material bag, and come show you, I clean up that land here. More than some. All of them come here, beg them and get them. So I put together. I lift up this by myself. My kitchen.
Stay down there, so baby.
What's gonna be right
Stay down
here.
there.
Right, the kitchen what's gonna be right here, and I try design it by myself. So every time I get, I just mostly for the garbage heap to build a place here. Alright, come in and show them. I'm not afraid to show them. So one core I take from the garbage heap. Alright,
have a tour.
But they have about say, it takes me 2 weeks to rise up this as a female. See, I don't know if rain will come fall, but I don't want the next time when rent to pay. I know that my rent a place, but I don't know when we can't pay rent, how it go. I have enough of to have a little shops to myself. See them in bed. When I sleep on, I have a next bed when I have my son. My daughter sleep on a tree away.
We're trying to
them.
get you a bed, don't worry. So
See
guys,
them,
you guys hear her story. I met
Thank
Julian.
you so much.
I met Julian after the hurricane hit, and I know she's seen so many people and so many people promise her. And I told her, I said, listen, I'm gonna come. Just trust God, I'm gonna come. I know she probably didn't believe because so many people promised her that they're coming and they're gonna help, and they didn't. But today we're going to buy Julian her 10-sheet of ply, her 2x4, 4x4. I think it's like 20 sheets of zinc, and then we're gonna buy the nail, and she have somebody who is going to assist her to put up the room. They're gonna do it for her, so she need a bed and she needs some other stuff. So we're asking for any help that we can get. All right, I'm gonna help her as much as I can. This is not the last Julian is gonna see me. It's not the last you're gonna see me. A lot of people saying Julian is crazy, and I told her from day one, you're not. I was in a position just like her once in my life, and I was crying out for help. And people will tell you crazy when you're crying out for help and you need help. Don't ever let nobody tell you, belittle you and tell you that you're crazy, because you're not crazy. You just need help. You're crying out, all right? And sometimes when we cry out, our cry out look a little bit different from how other people cry out look. Maybe because we don't have no shame in our game to cry out and say we need help. And people look down on us and say, you know what, this person crazy, because why would you come on social media? You come on social media because you need the help. And you feel like you could reach people, and that's the only way you did it, right? And instead of them trying to help you, what they said? Come on, let's go the hard way. You're not crazy. So this is where Julian is staying right now.
Thank you so much.
Next time,
all this way. Knowing
okay.
that out of the wilderness with them right now. But we have to top it, guys. This is safe enough for me.
Yeah.